Hey there, it's Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're just doing amazing. So if you've ever wondered what the 1 and the 4 and the 5 chords are and what they mean and how they came about, I'm going to tell you in under 3 minutes, which means I just got to get right to it. Let me play here a major scale. I'm in the key of G, playing a G major, and I'm going to go like this. Ready? All right, that's a G major scale. You don't really need to learn all your scales initially as a guitarist, but in your first couple months, once you get through some chords, maybe you want to get to scales. And a scale has 7 notes in it. That's a G. G, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it repeats again. The 8th one is another G. Hear that? So that's another G. So the 1, 2, 3, well, what's the 4th one? The 4th one is the 4th note in a G major scale, and it's the root note of a C major chord right there. Root note meaning it's like the bass or the bottom right there. In the case of a C major, it is the 1 of a C major scale, but in a G scale, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, what's the next one? If I hit the open D chord right there, D string right there, it's the root note or the bass note of a D. So the 1 chord is a G, the 4 chord is a C, and the 5 chord is a D. And a 1, 4, 5 is just one of those classic things. I got another video on my channel that shows a million songs like You Are My Sunshine, that's the 1, My Only Sunshine, You Make Me See, that's the 4 chord, When Skies Are Gray, back to 1, You Know, Please Don't Take, that's the 5, the D major, My Sunshine Away. I'll give you another example. So let's go to A major. A major, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh man, total mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 is another A string right there. So the A, if you're playing an A chord, A is the 1, so we're in a different key here. A would be the 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let me see, 4, that's an open D string, so that's the 4 chord, and then go 5. Well, what note is that? Let's go to the lower part. Hey, it's an E chord, an E major chord. So that's it. You just learn a scale of 7 notes and you count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, those notes, those chords right there, they form the basis of like countless songs you know and you love. All right, I hope it was helpful. Hit like if it was, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute guitar lesson. See ya.